Hi, I'm Paige Steers. I'm here at the MBA conference in Atlanta bringing you insights from experts, and I'm with Kelly Gaines. Kelly, it's interesting. Jones Lang LaSalle did a survey of 134 lenders. Those lenders came back and said they were really interested in multifamily products, 78%, and then a very interesting 33% were after medical office building. Is that the two main food groups, or are you seeing a more expanse in terms of lender interest?
I think it's a much bigger expanse as far as lender interest, and I'm surprised to hear that medical office was second in their choice. I'm sort of New York-centric in what I do because I'm based in New York, and there's not a lot of medical office product around there. But I would say certainly multifamily is everybody's first choice these days. It's hard for lenders to get it, so they're branching out and looking to other product types. But certainly in New York, office is another very attractive product. But the truly anchored retail seems to be what a lot of lenders are going after as well these days. That's what we're hearing anyway.
Yeah, I thought retail bringing up at the conference was kind of a surprise. A lot of people were talking about retail again, which was interesting. Are you hearing them go up the risk curve at all and get a little more aggressive in terms of LTVs or et cetera?
Absolutely. I think with the CMBS market coming back the way it has very recently in sort of the last 45 days, we've seen 100 basis point tightening, and that's created a lot of competition out there. So a lot of lenders are going to different places and further up the risk scale than they might have before in order to get the yield that they need. They've been lending at very low rates for a long time now, and I think they need to keep their overall coupons up. So they're definitely branching out a little more and going up the risk scale a little bit.
Well, I don't want to dim the candle here, but I hear at this conference typically big, bold thoughts about how much money they have to place and a lot of really optimistic thinking. How much of it is real this year, Kelly?
I think, again, with CMBS coming back as strongly as it has, I think there creates a much more efficient market there. So you'll see CMBS lenders lending a lot more. The life insurance companies that we met this week all have bigger allocations than they had last year. Some of them were out at the first part of the year last year. Some of them were out during the later part of the year, and I think everybody is really excited about putting a lot of money out this year. We were actually pretty impressed with the numbers that we heard from a lot of these lenders, so I think it's going to be a very robust year for lending.
Okay, well, it sounds like good things. If we see the conduits come back in a big way and all the other producers really put out some money, it should be a very strong year. We'll watch for that, Kelly. Thanks for sharing your insights.
Thanks for having me.